We need to get the problem in Meru.
The major problem that we have in Meru is the one that you mentioned. I want to be very clear on this. When you give a demand to the governor that is not tenable. For example, the MCAs have said categorically, and that's why we are able to bring even the videos that outside this motion, because we felt that that is where the major problem
Mr.
is.
Gatobu, you're not being honest, because we have watched videos here of roadside declarations, of things that ordinarily a leader may not be expected of. So, would you tell us you are the one advising the governor to make roadside declarations, to do employment in the streets, to shout at every leader, to attack the church?
In my own assessment, I want to say, and that's what I want to repeat, the problem that is in Meru, to be very sincere from the bottom of my heart, is not what is contained in this impeachment motion. The factors that have been mentioned here are not the real problems that are in Meru County.
Or how is he going to fit in that saga, Meru service? Don't you think there is an anomaly?
I made my reference very clear that the appointment of the first gentleman was not in any way related to the Meru Youth Service that we have. It was related to the issues that I mentioned about the Korea program, whereby there is a program that the governor has been running before she was elected as Women Rep of Meru County, which continued during her term, and now that she is the governor, she felt that she couldn't manage that.